Hello everyone, this is Shubham Swapnil Dash, an undergrad sophomore of Mathematics and Computing in IISM Dhanbad, India. So I'm very excited to look forward for the tasks of Liquid Galaxy for the upcoming Google Summer of Code 2025. So here is the task 1. As you can see here, this is my Liquid Galaxy rig controlled by the 3 VMs of VirtualBox as I navigate and rotate around it, and as you see, yeah, you can perfectly see the sync between the 3 rigs. It works successfully. Now I have opened my mobile phone emulator in which I have the SatNox visualizer already installed. Now I'll just open it. First of all, I will click on one of these and view in Galaxy. And there it goes, showing the path, all the KMLs being adjusted and shown here, as you can see, correctly placed. If I try to show one of the grounded stations like this, yeah, there it is. And then finally I'll test some settings on it. Go to the Liquid Galaxy section. First clear KML plus logos, all have been cleared. Then I'll relaunch it. And there it is. And finally we'll power it off. Yes. So we have successfully powered it off. That's it for my task 1. Thank you very much.
Hi, my name is Harsh, and this is the prerequisite task for GSoC 2025. So I'll just flip the screen. So these are the 3 virtual machines that comprise of the Liquid Galaxy rig. All these 3 virtual machines are connected over a NAT network, and the master machine, that is the first VM, is assigned a host network, and that assigns it a static IP address, which is then used to connect with this SAT NOGS application, and I have specified the IP address over here. The master node is able to control all the 3 slave nodes. As you can see, if I move anything in the master node, the changes take place accordingly in the slave nodes. Additionally, we can also use the application to control our rig. Let us say I hit over to this ground station and I hit view in Galaxy over here. So it will direct us to the appropriate ground station like this. And let's try it for another one. So it zooms out and takes us to the other one. Likewise, we can also do for the satellites part, which is also there in the controller application. So let's just demonstrate that as well. Alright, so it shows the satellite that I have selected, and it also highlights the path in red color. You can view this other one as well for demonstration sake. So yeah, so the setup works, and that is all for the first task. Thank you.
Hello Team Liquid Galaxy, I am Aryan, a wannabe GSoC contributor, and in this video I will be submitting my task 1 for the pre-requirement of GSoC 2025. This video is my submission for the task 1, and in this I have done a 3 virtual machine setup as said in the documentations. They are connected through the NAT network, and the virtual machine 1, which is the master virtual machine, is also connected through a Ethernet cable. Now as you can see, I have my 3 virtual machines are running here, and I have installed the Liquid Galaxy rig on it as well. Now after installing the Liquid Galaxy rig, I have switched on my emulator, which is a Google Pixel 7 with Android 14 and API version 34, and in that I have installed the SAT NOGS visualization tool, and after installing it I have also connected it to the Liquid Galaxy rig. Now as you can see, the connection is successful, and after a successful connection I can visualize any satellite present in this application. For a demo, let's visualize Alouette 2 satellite. Now we can see that it is successfully working, and I can also simulate the path of this the path of this satellite. And there are many other satellites as well in this application, as well as there are ground stations which I can visualize. Now we can see the ground station which is present in the United States, along with the longitude and latitude and all the required information with it. This will be all for this video. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Taha Sadikot. I am currently the student of Master of Computer Application at NIT Kurukshetra, and this is the video of the submission of task 1 of Liquid Galaxy GSoC 2025. As we can see on the screen, there is a 3 different virtual machines running, and on all 3 of them the Liquid Galaxy Google Earth is running, and it is showing the output correctly. Let's test the satellite visualization app in on this Liquid Galaxy. As we can see that here in the settings, we are already connected to the Liquid Galaxy. So let's clear the logos and KML. Now let's test the first satellite. As we can see, the satellite visualization is currently showing. On the left hand side the logo is showing, and on the left hand screen we can see the information about the satellite. So now let's test another satellite. As we can see, the another satellite visualization has been started. It is a Solar D7B. We can also simulate it, and as we can see, it has started the simulation. Now let's just stop the simulation, clear the logos. Let's test the another app, which is Liquid Galaxy Controller. As we can see, we have loaded the we are loading the Eiffel Tower images, Eiffel Tower in that, and as we can see on the screen, here we can see the Eiffel Tower images being loaded. So here we have tested the two different apps on the Liquid Galaxy virtual machine Liquid Galaxy setup, and this is the video of task 1 of GSoC 2025. Thank you.
Hello everybody, I'm Matteo Baggini and this is the first task video for GSoC 2025. Here I have the 3 Liquid Galaxy virtual machines, and here I have the emulator with the testing app. Let's see if it works. Okay, let's open the application on the emulator. Let's first connect our application to the Liquid Galaxy rig. It's connected. So let's try first some satellites like this one. Let's simulate it on the Liquid Galaxy. The simulation starts. We can disable the balloon visibility, or we can enable it. We can orbit on the satellite. We can stop it. Let's clear the camels. Okay, let's try another one, this one. Let's orbit on this one. Then we can stop the animation. In the end, we can clear the KMS Plus logo in this section. And then let's power off the machines. That's all.
Hello, my name is Devgadani and I am excited to participate and actively contribute the project in this year of the GSoC at the Liquid Galaxy community. So I am starting with the task 1. So here is my task 1, that we have to show installation of Liquid Galaxy and running the apps and connected with the emulator. So PT Nox app connected in the emulator via BlueStack app player. So it has been connected and successfully running through the app emulator. As you can see, the app has been running alive, and I am using physical device that can connect with the VMs. So first I am closing and connecting to Liquid Galaxy. As you can see, now the Smart City Dashboard app has also been connected, and we can now refresh the. Now I am cleaning the saves from this and making another over here. As you can see, after making cleaning save, the red lines from it has been disappeared and new orbit has been changed, and it has been successfully running, and I can disconnect it and use my mobile to connect liquid galaxy from it. So as you can see, my liquid galaxy is being connected, and I can set clear KMLs and logos for it. So the KMLs and the logos are will disappear. Now I can do all of the stuffs with my mobile also. As you can see, I set the view in galaxy, then this is being connected successfully, and I can make an orbit also.
Hello Liquid Galaxy team, I'm Mahib Singh, an engineering undergraduate from India, and this is my submission for task 1 for GSoC 2025 for the Liquid Galaxy organization.
Now I'll demonstrate my Liquid Galaxy setup to you. As you can see, the rig is up and running, and the master and the slave VMs are synced with each other. When I move along the master screen, the slaves move in sync. I have also set up the SAT energy application in a Pixel 7 emulator. I'll go on a satellite, and as you can see, the information about the satellite along with the picture is visible. We can also see information about the transmitters. For the fun part, we can see the satellite along with its trajectory on the Liquid Galaxy rig. I'll turn off the balloon so that we have better visibility, and also increase the orbit period so that we can increase the trajectory of the satellite, and I'll turn on the simulation. We can see the satellite move along its trajectory. I'll pause it for now. We can also see the location of one of the ground satellites. Search feature works appropriately as well. Now we'll see the system settings. We can see that the application is connected to the Liquid Galaxy rig here. And when we move to the Liquid Galaxy settings, I'll clear the KML and the logo so that we can have a clean slate. That's it. Thank you so much.
Hello Liquid Galaxy community, my name is Devashil Bhardwaj. I am currently pursuing undergrad at Birla Institute of Technology, Mishra in Computer Science and Engineering. This is my first task for the Liquid Galaxy community GSoC 2025. Now let's head back to the system. So as you can see, we have all the three machines connected fine and it is perfectly synced. I have used LG1 as the master rig, LG2 and LG3. Here are the slave machines which are connected to each other using a NAT network in the virtual box. Now to showcase the app, this is the SatNOS visualization tool which was developed by Michael Algara Barros. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing that name correctly. As you can see, it is connected with the Liquid Galaxy system. Here we have the logo of the app, and this app actually collects and show data of ground stations and satellites. Now to view the satellites, let's click on view in Galaxy, and we can see the satellites loading in the Liquid Galaxy machine. And here we have a beautiful satellite orbiting a beautiful Earth. Now to clear that, I need to click clear, and it is gone from the system. Now for the ground station, we can view this Upmohan ground station. And yes, So now the ground station would load. Here we go. As we can see, the ground station is here in a beautiful city, and we can also see that it is online. Now to clear that, again I need to click clear, and it is gone from the screen. Now to clear the logo, all I need to is click KML and clean KML and logos, and the logo will be gone. Now to power off, we can click on power off, yes, and we can see the beautiful Liquid Galaxy machines are powering down. Thank you.